Hobby Trench Tutorials Wars of Eschatology, a modified one-page rule Age of Fantasy rule set. Today we're going to show you the third of 3 cultures that you can select for battlefield traits and campaign traits for this campaign of Eschatology. This being the Primal culture. Very straightforward, very simple. They have 3 traits, one of which is very familiar, expendable friendly fire. Just like the expendable unit types in dogmatic cultures, all unit types in primal cultures are expendable. This means that if a range unit wants to shoot a target, but there's a friendly unit within a lane of fire, or within 3 inches of that unit, they will then shoot it with no penalty, but on any rolls of 1, they will then have to make a save on their own selected unit within 3 inches or lane of fire of the target they were shooting originally. So say I value these guys, I don't want them to make the save, I'll make them have to roll the save. I fail one, so then this one actually dies. But then I made 2 shots, they failed one, so one of their guys die. And that's the end of the shooting. The second part is disorder cohesion. Simple way to put it is this unit here that wants to go and charge them, they cannot move through their own men. They're a disorganized mob. They will not step aside for each other. So this one will have to move a full wrap around before it could actually charge into this unit. So they can shoot through their own men with friendly fire active on rolls of 1. They have to move around their own men. They cannot move through their own troops in any kind of manner. And the last element they have is the Primal Rage. Instead of having +1 morale for being next to 2 friendly units, they instead just get +1 morale as long as they're within 3 inches of an enemy unit. So this one gets a +1 morale, this one does, and this one does, but that one does not. This encourages Primal factions to get right up in it because they just want to be in the fight. Simple as that.